Let me talk about the arithmetic operator first. So I'm going to show you here, these are the arithmetic operations. This is the positive, minus, negative, subtraction, division, multiplication, power of or co-exponent, and this is a floor division, and this is a remainder. See how exactly this will be used. Let me tell you, all these are arithmetic operation. I'm going to take one example here. X is the variable, assigning 5 value to the x, means the memory allocation is 5 value. Answer is also word which is variable, and to this answer the result will be stored. So I'm going to print the answer. You see the result here, what exactly it will give. Right now I'm going to use positive, means addition. So you'll see the answer here, 5 plus 5, it's a 10. The answer is 10. Let me change the minus here. Okay, you see the result here. If I run it, you will get 0. You will get 0. It is an integer value. It's a 0. Okay, and now let's change to division. What you'll get answer, you see here, the 1.0, 5 by 5. I'll show you how exactly this is. You see here, 5 by 5, answer equals to 5 1 1. So how exactly this will be used here, like this, 5 1 5, then 0. This is called a remainder. Okay, this is called quotient. So this will be, and the answer will be written in the float. So that's what it is shown here. Okay, you can easily make it out, that one. So that's what it is shown, 1.0. Let me put into x, into multiplication, multiplication. You see the answer, what exactly it will give. You see 5 into 5 equal to 25. It is just a mathematical operation. Okay, let me change to double star, that is called power of exponent, 5 to the power of 5. How you write it here? How you write it here? Let me show you once again. 5 to the power of 5 equals to 5 into 5 into 5. 5 times we need to type, so we get the answer here. So anything x to the power of 2 equals to, how you write it, x, like this. This is the expression we need to write here. So now next, continue to the next one. This answer is gives like this, 3125 is the answer. Okay, for example, if I change the value of 2, okay, this is, let it be 5. I'll show you what is the result. It's a 32. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 times, if you multiply, you will get the answer 2. So 32. So now let me change the floor division. So let's see how exactly it will give you answer. This is 0. I'll tell you, I'll take an example, 2 x equal to 2 and 5. Okay, I'm going to divide by 5. So I'll show you how exactly this works. See, 2 by 5 answer, that is the meaning. 2 is inside and 5. 2 2's, there is no variable, so we are going to use 0. We are going to use point means 0. We have to say 5 into 4 20, so remainder is 0. Remainder is 0, and this answer is 0.4. So this 0 is nothing but This 0 is nothing but the double, this is the floor division, this 0 is nothing but the floor division. Let me take another example. And x is equal to 4, you see once it is a 4, because I am going to show you here how it is exactly going to work out. Let me take once again 0, so sorry, 4 into 5 means 4 is inside, we are going to divide 5, point is 0 into 8 is equal to 40, 0. So 0.8 is the answer. So 0 is here a quotient, okay, like that. And one more next question, let's take it. Six. Let's calculate. This is a 1. This is the floor division. 6, we will get the answer only 1. You see here how exactly it is going to work out. Six divided by 5. So 6 is inside and 5 division. 5 ones are 5. 1 we could put point 0. 5 2 into 10. So make it a remainder 0. So remainder 0. But the value answer is 1.2. But since we are using the double quote, we are going the floor division. What exactly it does, it picks the leftmost number as an answer, leftmost as an answer. So this is how the floor division works. Let me go to the Python programming platform and I'll show you the reminder now. If I use reminder, you will see what exactly it will give. 1, answer is only 1. I'll tell you how. Let's go to there and interpret the answer. Okay, now you see here, I'm going to delete this one. Okay, the question here now, how exactly it works. Okay, now it is same. Let me remove this one. Okay, 5 ones are 5. Okay, answer is 1. On the first instance, whatever we get, that is the reminder. This is called reminder and this will be indicated by percentage. So this is the answer we got on the programming output window. So that's how it is. Let me put another example. 8. You see 8 here. Let's run. Answer is 3. You see the output is here 3. Let's go to there and remove this one. Okay, now we are going to put 8 and here 5 ones are 5, answer is 3. So this is the reminder. Okay, that will be interpreted by symbol this one. So all these are arithmetic operations. Okay, let's continue to the next operating system. Means now that is all about the arithmetic operation. Let's study the next, what always kind of, let's study the next operator, next operator. Next, okay, we are going to study next. Okay, now let's study the different operation. Next we are going to study about the assignment operators. This is the second part of the operation.